we're going to turn this into this. So what I'm doing here is just cut down some 2x2s, and now I'm just laying them out for the dados to slide the 1/4 inch pieces into. I'm using pocket holes to put this together. Now it's time to cut the plywood panels that go into the boxes here. They're measuring out to make sure it fits, doing a dry fit, and doing the same on that one. And then we're gonna screw them all together here. Once the 2 side pieces were done, I used some pipe clamps to put the 2 pieces in together. Alright, for the tops for these I'm using some Eastern Red Cedar here, and the color is just amazing. And here I cut some PVC pipe down to length, the height that I wanted it. And there I got a 3-inch piece, and I'm going to cut a 3-inch hole in the middle of that wood to kind of give it a cool little look.
So here I am just doing a dry fit to see if everything's going to kind of go where I want it to. So here I used L brackets to put onto the PVC and then mount those to the cedar so you wouldn't see the screws. It turned out really well. There you see me, I cut the box down in half and then used the other piece as a support. Here I am cutting out the dog food bowls with the jigsaw, and then I'm just putting some cat holes in all the boxes with the same method. All right, time for paint. So I want this to kind of look farmhouse-y, so I went with the white paint and then just staining the natural cedar with some waterlocks, and it just turned out really nice. All right, so now it's time for final assembly, and I'm just using the pocket hole screws underneath there just to clamp it together, screw it all together, and it just really starting to come together now. I posted a clip of this on my Instagram, and this is worse than sanding. If you've ever done any of this wrapping around, this is worse than sanding. Here I am just using the same twine that we wrapped everything with to kind of hide the scored edges from the jigsaw on the holes. And I really like the way this kind of ties it all together. All right, if you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button for me.